YouTubers. It's cold and it's morning, and I wanted to check on how the chicken bucket was keeping the water. So far, this is our coldest day, coldest night this season. It got down to about 0 degrees, so let's go out and see if it's liquid. Frozen solid. There we go. Let's see. Question of the hour. Lid's frozen on. Ooh. Ooh. It's liquid. You can see up here there's some frost along the edge. But it's warm. So it's working. She likes it. Alright, let's put the lid back on. I'm gonna call this awesome. We're in good shape. See, here's the camera rig we're using. I got it in backwards. Let me flip you back around. Oh, yeah. Coop's frozen. Light's been working great. I don't think we have any eggs, but I'm going to check. No, it's frozen solid. Forget it. Alright, guys. Hey, if you're considering getting a bucket for your chickens so they can have water all winter, I recommend that one. It's working so far. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, all the outro stuff. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.